हरिओम भैया बहन last class I had taught you about definition of modal verbs. What is modal verbs? You had to know about this topic. Today I am going to teach you types of modal verbs. First of all, uses of can. Uses of can means sakna. Where can we use this word can sakna? कहाँ हम लोग इसका यूज कर सकते हैं? To express, point number 1, to express ability. Ability. What is the meaning of ability? You know? If you don't know, I'm telling you. Yogyata. Ability means yogyata, which may be physical or mental. योग्यता या तो फिजिकल भी हो सकता है या तो फिर मेंटल भी हो सकता है. तो ability means योग्यता. Two types of ability, mental or physical. In the condition of expressing ability which may be physical or mental, we use the modal verb can. For an example, I can do this work. I can do this work. I can do this work. Can means तो सकना और सकना. कैसा सकना? ठीक है. इस can के अनुसार सकना मतलब पूरी तरह से सक्षम होना. सपोज आई कैन टीच यू, मैं आपको पढ़ा सकता हूं तभी ही मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूं. ओके, मेरे पास क्षमता है पढ़ाने के लिए, सो आई एम टीचिंग यू. आई कैन टीच यू. ओके, ठीक उसी प्रकार से आई कैन डू दिस वर्क, मैं इस काम को कर सकता हूं, बिल्कुल कर सकता हूं. In the condition of this mode, we can use the modal verb can. निश्चय ही, निस्संदेह, नो डाउट, मैं कर सकता हूं. इस अवस्था में, इस कंडीशन में हम लोग कैन का यूज करते हैं. I can speak English. I can speak English. If you ask a question then, can you speak English? Nobody will tell that, sir, sorry, I can't speak English, because they are feared to speak English. But if you tell to English teacher or any person who know properly speaking to English, they can't tell that I can't tell the English or I can't speak the English. Okay? So answer of this question, this is the ability to speak English for that people, for that person, so they can speak the English. They have capacity, they have ability to speak English. Okay, so in the condition of ability, I can speak the English, means मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूं. ओके, इस एवज में, in this condition, we can use the modal can. Understand? He can solve the problem. He can solve the problem. No doubt, he can solve. वह प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकता है, कोई डाउट नहीं है, बिल्कुल कर सकता है, निश्चय ही कर सकता है. इन द कंडीशन ऑफ this mode we can use the modal verb can. So we have known about the use of can. The first point to describing some examples. Next point. Next point, I will teach you about the use of can to express possibility. To express possibility. 1 minute. Number 2. To expresses 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 possibility possibility. Possibility. What is the meaning of possibility? What is the meaning of possibility? Sambhavana. Sambhavana. The meaning of possibility is Sambhavana. This news can be true. This news can be true. यह समाचार सही हो सकता है. संभावना है कि यह समाचार न्यूज सही हो सकता है. The sentence tells us the possibility. The sentence, the words possibility denotes here Sambhavana. So we can use here the modal verb can. Today I have tried to teach you about some modal verbs. I hope that you will be understand this topic properly. Next class I will teach you next modal verbs. Now and then. Thank you. Be happy.